Now using of steel fiber. This is also a very innovative decision. Why they make this distance between two pier 120 meter? Because they are using steel fiber, and that steel, and I am also very much not happy about the approach of steel and cement company. My one of the mission is to reduce the use of steel and cement in road construction, because they are making carteling and taking very heavy price for that. So we need to initiate and encourage the new material, carbon steel, steel fiber, and if we can use steel fiber, we can reduce the use of steel, and by which also we can reduce the cost of construction. Even NHI and ministry, only my ministry, we can save at least 30 to 40,000 crore per year by accepting this. So there are a lot of things which are related with the bridges. We have one organization, we have office in Noida, NH, what is the name?
IAG, Indian Academy of Highway Engineering.
Indian Academy of Highway Engineering. Actually, we want to develop in a way where we need to make the research. Now we don't have the photographs of the bridges. When you can visit it somewhere abroad, you get the all beautiful photographs of the bridges. We don't make lighting system, and total approach is so negative. I remember in Juari Bridge in Goa, that is to be Cable Street Bridge. So I was constantly pursuing to ministry that we can make two viewer gallery on the bridge. And yesterday I was in Goa. So at last I decided, when I am interested to give more money to NHI. If they don't want it, let us leave it, give it this proposal to state government. And now state government tendered, and yesterday the program was there. And now I know something which I understand about the business. There are 2 lakhs tourists coming to Goa, and 100% 1 lakh tourists will go there, because there are 2 towers and 1 viewer gallery and revolving restaurant. And yesterday I suggest them to make one thing, it will be more beautiful than Eiffel Tower. So there will be connection between the two things. Then it can be really a good attractive thing for the people. The capsule lift will be there. People will go by boat to the place, and after that they will go to the top, and there will be a restaurant. So my assessment is, by constructing that bridge, we will get money back within 8 to 10 years. You can easily charge 500 rupees or 1000 rupees ticket for that, and it can be attractive proposal. The coffee rate will be on the higher side. It will be 500 rupees. You are paying all this thing in Eiffel Tower, because everywhere there are some bunions, a lot of things that they are using for it. Yes. So now the tender is already there, and there will be a good party. And now I given that project to Goa government. I said, with the NHI people and this ministry, they don't want money, leave it, give it to the government. They can get the money from that. And total cost of the project 200 crores. So there is a lot of innovative ideas. We can make lighting in this in the bridge in Gujarat, Dwarka. The bridge very beautifully it's designed, and there is a lighting system is there. So by which it is really a worth thing. Basri, that people can visit there and see that and enjoy that. So there are lot of thing in designs, lot of thing in bridge construction, using of different materials, and lot of thing about the record of the bridges which already we have constructed. We need to fix up the life of the bridges, because the Savitri incident was very awakening for everybody. And the way in which we are losing the life of the people, it's really a bad. Somewhere, I am the minister, it will not be appropriate for me to say, but somewhere if the bridge is collapsed, who is responsible for that? I remember I was there in Panvel for one program. I publicly say I am responsible. As a minister, I will take the responsibility, and we will construct this bridge within 6 months. And I take the responsibility. It was correct. It was NHI. And now the people are telling, now this is this responsible, I will give the report. In the government, generally every time it happens. But actually the health of the bridge was very bad. But no one identified. And that is the reason that we have to lose, actually a lot of people has to, the death was there, and some of the innocent people, they actually, it's really a very painful incident in the history of Maharashtra. and already there are a lot of accidents. So this is the time that we have need to fix up the life of the bridges, expiry date, and where we need to repair it. But before repairing, we need to have the report of the bridge, audit of the bridge. What is the quality of construction? And particularly there are a lot of things, particularly in the sea area, 50 kilometer near. We should not use steel, because everywhere in Mumbai, either it is in building or there is in bridges, it's a problem. Somewhere we have to make the law that near to sea up to at least 25-30 kilometers, we always use stainless steel, because rusting is a big problem. So these are the very, very important issues where we need more research, more study, and more regulations, by which for the future it can be a great advantage for the people by and large. So this is the first starting, that at least building bridges where a lot of information is there. First time as a minister now, it will be easy for me to know how much number of bridges available in India. It is not good for me to tell you that we don't have any record. we don't know when the bridge is constructed. We don't know what is the present situation, what is the actually life of the bridge, what is the situation, whether it is in the position of collapse. We don't know, we don't have any information. No one is seriously working on it. And majority are IT engineers, and we are merit students who are working in NHI. We have all intelligent people. Actually, they have a lot of works. But somewhere it is the time in the government we need to have some research, some detailed study, adopting new policies, taking new decisions, and new innovations, whatever successful practices available in the world, we need to accept it. And for accepting any new thing, it is very difficult in government to accept it. It takes too much time to accept it, because there is also problem from media. If suppose you can make any experiment, and if the crack is there, immediately take the photo. He is the engineer, there is a crack, there is a fraud, some corruption is there. So no one can do the experiments. So somewhere, some of the pilot project, we need to understand that this is an experiment. And there, it is not to be confirmed that in every experiment it will be a correct experiment. It is a try and error method. So somewhere we should initiate the thing. And now this is the time, as a minister, we have every year constructing roads of 3 to 4 lakh crore per year. And tunnels, road, bridges, our speed is now increased. So actually there is no subject on our agenda that how we can reduce the cost of construction. There is no subject on agenda that how we can improve the quality of construction. And there is no agenda about what is the life of the bridge, what is the life of the tunnel. Nothing is there. Somewhere we need to make research study in detail. And we need to make the study of all the parts of constructing bridges, using starting from raw material. Now the people are using carbon steel, now steel fiber. And I feel that it is the time that we need more research. So I always trying to give opportunity to IIT engineering colleges, where we can make the joint venture with them, and we can make the detailed study of all these projects. But somewhere, what is my satisfaction is somewhere because of Mr. Sadanand Joshi ji and Vaibhav ji, we have taken the initiative. Now at least we have a record. हमको यही पता नहीं कि हमारी प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ है, कौन चूज कर रहा है, और कुछ नहीं था. First time we have received the record. Now the record is on the website. At now the time that with the using the important inspection system, by which we need to understand and fix up the life of the bridge, its expiry date, and on the basis of that we need to repair the bridge. And for repair also, what type of new technology we are using for that, where also we need more research on it. So this is one of the important subject. We are constructing thousands of tunnels, thousands of bridges, big bridges. Somewhere this is the time for, particularly for the government, state and central government, to understand all the importance of this subject. On the basis of that, formulate the policy, and with the successful practices and research, on the basis of that, using of different material, new designs, and somewhere we need to have the plan, the independent policy for that.